Hey, it's Brian, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we picked up a new little project. What we have here is a 96 GMC Yukon, or commonly more known as the Chevy Tahoe. So, some of you may know that we started back fixing up these trucks back in the 90s when OBSs were the only thing around. So now that we have an opportunity to pick up a OBS Tahoe from a friend of ours, we're going to see what we can do to bring it back to life. Obviously, it's just about 30 years old now, this truck, and it's been through a couple owners. You know, it's got some maintenance issues that need to get take care of, and a few other cosmetic issues, as you can see in the video. But the great thing about it is we get to fix this thing back up, bring it back, and restore it to its former glory, and hopefully have some fun and hit some car shows and truck shows along with it. So come with us. It's going to be not too long of a build, but not very short either. So hopefully we can make this thing shine. So let us know, what do you think we should do with this? Obviously, it's a four-wheel drive, and you can see the video in a sec, but I'm pretty excited for this one. So obviously, we got to get started somewhere, and the first thing is going to be washing it and taking it all apart. All right, let's go.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. To get a hold of yourself. Ain't nobody stopping me.